Okay, so last year we tried to plant these rose bushes. As you see, they're dead. Now granted, we just hit winter, but honestly, they were dead from the beginning. They were dry root rose bushes. Now we got from Home Depot, right?
Yeah.
From Home Depot. And we did what we were told to do, which was, you know, put them in water and
Blase, blase, blase.
blase, 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 etc., etc., etc. Now, some of them did get some roots on them.
Some green, some of them had
Some of them seem to have. Okay, this one's like completely gone.
That's what I was talking about.
In fact, I think I just broke it. So, but there are some here that actually do have, like this one. If you actually look, you can see it's got a lot of the roots. So the roots were growing good. The problem was it wasn't coming up.
That one was really strong.
They were going down. The roots were going down, but the roots weren't coming up. So,
that one was really strong right there.
and this one was another really good one. And you can see, we ended up with other things in its place, but not roses. Got real, I mean, if you look closely, you can see it's got its roots. It's got roots here, but it doesn't want to seem to come up. So, we're going to take these. What we're going to do is we bought these live ones today, and we're going to plant these in there, take all those with some fresh soil and put them in here. We bought a greenhouse that we'll put on the back porch and see if we can get these sparked up at all. I don't think that one that I just accidentally pulled up I think it's a goner, because it only had the one root.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's dead.
It only had the one root.
I'm pretty sure it's dead.
But we also ordered some seeds. So we'll be doing, and some things like that. We got a rake, bow rake.
So
got us some.
Out all this stuff over here.
We got a hedge. I bought a hedge trimmer. So we'll be able to do all this. You saw that we did get the extender for our jaw saw, so he was able to fix our poor peach tree over there and get the broken pieces off. So this year you are going to see videos on us doing garden. Now, I did warn y'all.
I'm going to take and extend this out along there.
Along there. We're going to end it at the house, at the actual house, because the old man's head.
So basically, you'll see more of these bricks.
It'll come here.
Come along here.
And we're going to stop it here.
Right. It'll be right on the edge of the
over there. That way it'll be easier to mow too. I didn't even think about that. It'll be easier to mow instead of going around.
Yeah. It'll corner it.
I mean, I have the pictures from
Clean it out,
year.
corner it.
I have the pictures from last year, so I know what we have, so we'll know what we need to pull, what we're not really interested in keeping.
And then the rocks, then those rocks will go back into the back. I'll do more rock garden back there.
And so that is the plan. I did warn y'all in a video for my intro that my mind does many things, and I have no one subject. So we're going to do the beginner videos on how to try to help your garden, because this is our forever home, and I love rose bushes and he loves rose bushes, and well, we love color. If you can't see, we have strip lights outside. So
Well, and that's another thing.
oh yeah,
If you look, we already got a lot of plants
that are already
they're already starting to come in.
right.
Yeah.
But we need to get it all cleaned up when we get the bow rake.
Yep.
And pull out this dead stuff. So yeah, I mean,
So that the vibrant colors can come back again.
we were new. It's like being a new parent. We were new homeowners, and so we didn't know really. You know, we'd always rented, and we didn't have all this fun stuff, and we didn't ever have to worry about it. Well, guess what? See, we have a lot of things starting to grow already. So we'll have the hedge trimmer so we can make our hedges look pretty. We'll have that Friday. Thursday or Friday? Friday, right?
Friday.
So stay tuned for more gardening tips and fun stuff.
Tips and tricks and
Tips, tricks, and more. Take care. Bye-bye.